Welcome back to the channel. It's a pleasure having you guys here. Today, we're going to be talking about something interesting, the best days of the week to trade. I repeat, the best days of the week to trade. Most traders today, they don't know when to trade. They're just trading anytime. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I'm sure if the market was open properly over the weekend, they would trade that too. But there are some key periods, days of the week that you need to focus more on. Now, there is a myth where a lot of traders are, staying in front of their systems for like 24 hours a day. No, you don't need to do that. Of course, staying in front of the system 24 hours a day for 5 days a week is going to have its negative effect on you. You won't be able to concentrate on other things. What about sleep? What about family? What about relationships and so on? So knowing the best days of the week to trade is going to help you out tremendously. And all of this is based on record keeping. All of this is based on journal. When you keep a trading journal, it's going to show you when you took the trade, how you took the trade, the outcome of the trade. So it will help you to have a rough gauge of when you have your best trades as opposed to when you have your worst trades. So you would know when to trade. And of course, all of this comes with experience as well. I've experienced this over the years, and that's why we're doing this video to help everybody to understand better. Now, by the way, if you are new to the channel, do us a favor and hit the subscribe button and give the video a like. So the best days of the week to trade, right? Now I'm going to show you something on the screen here. If you look in front of us, you can see 22 to 23, 21 to 22, 20 to 21. So over here, you can see 17 to 20. There's a big jump over here. This simply means here it's Friday. I'm going to put an F here for Friday. 20 to 21, it's Monday. 21 to 22 is Tuesday. And then, of course, here is Wednesday. So you know when exactly the video is being made, and then you understand much better. Here is Thursday, so I'll put TH, this is Tuesday, TU, and then Wednesday, and then Tuesday. I'm sure you get the gist already. Now, as we are doing this, I want to ask a quick question, and that is that when it comes to business, generally, when it comes to different businesses out there, what day or days of the week happens to be the most productive? Let me ask you guys that question. I said most businesses, not all businesses, because when it comes to like health, of course, most times it's like every day could be a busy day for them. But then what day or days of the week do you believe is the most busiest? I'm going to explain a cycle that I have always, used for trading and for, generally for business, for life itself. Now let's start the cycle starting from Monday. Now, Monday, when people get to the office on Monday, what is the mode in the office? Monday is the day, we have TGIF. TGIF stands for Thank God It's Friday. Why don't we have TGIM? Thank God It's Monday. Because Monday is more or less the worst day of the week. Now, hold on before you attack me. All of this is based on my own theory, my own experience. So if you can relate to it, then no problem. And if you don't, then trade anyhow you want to. But Monday for me is the worst day of the week for most businesses because most people get into the office are either getting to the office angry that they're back to work. Some are even getting to the office with hangovers. That means that Mondays are usually slow. And you will notice this as well. Most Mondays in the market, Mondays are usually slow, generally, businesses, most businesses. I don't know whether you agree with that. People are just coming back from a long weekend of having fun, and then Monday back to work, they're all, energy is low. They don't even want to be in the office. And also Monday is a day where most people have meetings. They're having meetings to find out how was last week, what do we need to do to improve this week, and so on. And then Tuesday is when, business kicks off fully. Think about it. Tuesday is when businesses kick off fully, and then when the market, price starts to move, much better. And then Wednesday, the same thing, and Thursday. So to answer that question, the best days of the week to trade from my own personal experience and research, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays are the best days to trade. They're the most productive, they're the most volatile. And then Friday is, I'm sure you must have probably heard about this. If you haven't, you can do your research. Friday is profit-taking day. Friday is when people, they're happy, they have made profit, and then they want to cash out for that day to enjoy the weekend. So they enjoy the weekend, and then they start the cycle again on Monday. So some of them are coming to the office on Monday with hangovers and the rest of them. But this is what we're talking about. This is from my own research over years, and also looking at the charts. Whenever you look at the chart that we have, put down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on in front of you, think about it. And the only thing that I request of everybody watching this video, before you start saying this is BS, I want you to go and backtest it. You can say it's BS, but quietly backtest it and see. And when you backtest it over time, and maybe you build some confidence in yourself, then you can do some forward testing and then see the result. Because for you to be able to be consistent and for you to be able to build confidence in yourself in your trading, backtesting is going to help you because it is something that has happened in the past. This business history tends to repeat itself. So things that happened in the past will still happen in the future. And that is it. And that is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I do hope that this video that we have done for you has helped at least one person out. If it has, thumbs up. And if you still feel it is nonsense that we have spoken, no problem. You must have tuned off a long time ago. So best days of the week to trade, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. That's what I have been able to observe in the market. In another video, we'll talk about maybe the best time of the day, the best time of the day to trade. The best time of the day would involve like activities that people normally do, like when they go for break. All over the world, there's a particular opening, there's a gap, there's a window when people go for break. Do people go for break, lunch break at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.? Think about it. When you start to gradually apply some of these things that make sense, and that is why you are here with CSA Forex, common sense approach. When you start to think about some of these things or all of these things, it should start to make sense to you. If they make sense, great. And if they make sense and you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and wait for more videos like this because we're going to be giving you with bangers based on our experience that we've had over time, based on tips, based on things that we see. So you wouldn't want to miss out on them. So I'm rounding up now. Think about it. If you haven't thought about that before, think about it. One thing that will help you to identify the best days of the week to trade would be your trading journal, which is you keeping records of your trades. If you have a trading journal, maybe over, I like to use 3 months, but if you've had like from 1 month and above, reach out to me and we'll see how we can, review your trading journal and get information out of it. But thank you guys. It has indeed been a good one. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy the rest of the week. Okay. Thank you guys and goodbye for now. Cheers.